Okay, hello everyone. So let's start with today's daily MCQ session. Today there were a mix of questions from index numbers, probability, permutations. Okay, one or two of them were slightly difficult. So let's start immediately. If quantity index number increased by 24% and value index number remained the same, what is the change in price index number? Now understand, as per factor reversal test, quantity index number into price index number should be value index number, right? So quantity index number increased by 24%. That means if it was, let's assume everything was 100 earlier. So now it is 124 into price index number is value index number, which is same. So it is 100 only, right? So price index number will be what? 100 by 124. Check how much it is. 0.80645. So 0.8065. In terms of percentage, it will be 80.65% or 80.65, right? So earlier if it was 100, now it is 80.65, so that is 100 minus 80.65, how much is it? 19.35% decrease. Okay, so 28% people have got it. I hope everyone has got it now. If you have any doubt, let me know. Probability. If a person likes coffee, there is 50% chance that he will like tea. If a person does not like coffee, so if a person likes coffee, then there is 50% chance of liking tea. If a person does not like coffee, then there is 70% chance of liking tea. Fine. Probability that a person likes coffee is 40%. So probability of coffee is 0.4. That means probability of not coffee is 0.6. Right. C dash. Find probability that a person selected at random will like either coffee or tea but not both. Okay. For any probability question, always try to write your question in terms of sentence using and or. Always. And remember something, and is multiplication or intersection, or is addition or union. Very important rule for probability sets, permutations, combinations, all three. Okay. So let me write it in terms of sentence. Either coffee or tea or but not both. So either coffee and not tea, or not coffee and tea, right? Coffee and not tea, or not coffee and tea. So what is probability of coffee? 0.4. Now concentrate. If person likes coffee, there is 50% chance that he will like tea. That means and is multiplication. 50% chance of liking tea, that means 50% chance of not liking tea also, right? Or C dash is what? 0.6. And is multiplication. Now if he does not like coffee, then there is 70% chance that he will like tea. So now tea will be what? 70%. Concentrate carefully and tell me if you have understood this. If not, let me know in comments. So the answer will be 0.4 into 0.5 plus 0.6 into 0.7. That is going to be 0.62, which is 62%, or option this second. Okay, 36% people have got it. Fine. Next, third is that is called TVM, actually, not equations. Okay. An asset depreciates by 6% per annum on WDV basis. If depreciation for year 6 is 553.38, then find the original cost of the asset. Now there is no need to go into any formula for any WDV question. No need to go into any formula. Concentrate. Depreciation for year 6 is 553.38. Now let me write it like this, but if you understand logically, then no need to write even in exam. Year 1, so there will be some original cost, right? Then there will be depreciation for year 1, let me write it D1. Then it will be WDV at the end of year 1. Then depreciation for 2, WDV for 2. Depreciation for 3, WDV for 3. Depreciation 4, WDV 4, and so on. Similarly for year 6, there will be some opening WDV at year 5. Okay, it will be D5. Then WDV at year 5. Then there will be depreciation at year 6, which is given to us as 553.38. Now understand, 6% on WDV basis. That means if WDV is 100, depreciation is 6, right? If WDV is 100, depreciation is 6. So we have a ratio. 100 is to 6 is what? Is to 553.38, right? 100 is to 6 is what is to 553.38. So we can calculate that 553.38 multiplied by 100 divided by 6. So that gives us 9223. 9223. Okay. Now always remember, for any year, for WDV, it will always be like this. If cost is 100, depreciation will be 6, WDV will be 94. Similarly again, if this is 100, then this will be 6, this will be 94. Again, if this is 100, this will be 6, this will be 94. So you can just go in reverse in this way, concentrate. This is WDV of year 5, 9223. This is 94% of previous WDV, right? So you can just divide by 94% to get WDV of year 4. Again divide by 94% to get WDV of year 3. Again divide by 94% to get WDV of year 2, and so on. So take 9223 on calculator, divide by 94%, that is WDV of year 4. Again divide by 94%, that is year 3. Again divide by 94% year 2. Again divide by 94% year 1. Again divide by 94%, that will give you original cost, which is 12567. Or you have divided 5 times. So you can just take on your calculator 9223 divided by 0.94 and then press equal to 5 times. That's it. This will give you the final answer. No need to do anything else. So if you understand the logic concept, then you can do this directly. Otherwise you can go this way also, that is fine. But in exam, this will give you the fastest answer. Next, fourth. K has 6 days left for exam and 4 subjects. He wants to take up one subject on one day. He wants to take up accounts for any 2 consecutive days and maths on any 2 days. How many ways are there for him to study? So 6 days are there. Accounts he has to take on consecutive 2 days. So that means let's make a box for accounts. Accounts will be on any 2 consecutive days, either these 2 or these 2 or these 2, anything, right? Maths he can take on any 2 days. So on remaining 4 days, what will he take? Maths, eco, law, and maybe maths, right? Fine. So there are how many objects in total considering the box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 factorial ways. But maths comes twice. When something is repeated, we divide by that factorial, so 2 factorial. And actually we will rearrange this also, but both accounts are same, right? There is no difference between A and A, so no need to multiply by anything. So 5 factorial by 2 factorial, that is 120 by 2, 60 is the correct answer. Understand the concept of box and repetition, both are covered in this. Okay, next. If you have any doubt in these small concepts, I uploaded full revision batches on the channel, which are for free. You can check those out, okay? Or you can join the regular batch also, which is also available for free, or the fast track batch, which is available for some nominal fees, which covers every concept, every trick and every shot. They are covered in all of the batches, but they depend on your purpose. Next, average score of A in inter group 1 was 57. He scored 55, 53, 50 in first 3 papers of group 2. How much should he score in last paper if he wants his overall average to be at least 60? Concentrate. In group 1 his average was 57 in 4 papers. That means his total marks were 57 into 4. How much is 57 into 4? Check. So 228 total marks he has got in first 4 subjects. In 5th subject he has got 55. 6th subject 53. Next subject 50. We want how much should he get in his last subject, so that his average is at least 60. Okay, 60 or more, right? So let's calculate for exactly 60. So you can just solve this equation, no need to do anything else. 60 into 8 minus 228 minus 55 minus 53 minus 50, which gives us 94 as x. So 94 is the correct answer. This was a bit different than others. Fine. So I hope this is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, let me know in comments, and join the Telegram channel, which is given in the links of this, so that you get daily MCQs like this for practice. Okay. So let's stop for today. Bye everyone.